Hello everyone, this is Devinder. Welcome back to the channel Reinventing You. While we were running a series of Fix Your Problem Thenali Raman Way, I have realized to address the issues of teenager, it is more important at the first place to address the issues of the parents of teenagers, the young generations who are now going to come up with the finest of the younger generations coming forward. So you need to be calm yourself, you need to be composed, you need to be better version first before you make your kid a better version for themselves. So let's talk about a good topic today. How to curb your negative thoughts. Yes, I am sure so many things you can watch around, there are so many things happening around. End of the day, those are not impacting you because your thought processes are not taking things positively. There is a possibility you keep thinking whole day, lot of negative things, they keep coming back again and again on you. How to deal with it? Let's talk about it and understand this much better. So you may be thinking, why do I get so many negative thoughts? Why every day, in the whole day, whenever there is a situation, immediately I think of worst thing first. Something, kids have gone out, the worst thing comes into the mind. Oh, nothing should have go wrong. Kid gets a little fever, the worst thing gets into the mind. Oh, is it COVID? I hope there is nothing like that. There is anything, the smallest of the situation, the very first thing comes to your mind is the humongous, huge amount of a negative thought process which starts off. So what is happening? Is that thought negative, positive, whatever kind of thoughts you are getting? See, what is happening? Thought is neither a negative thought nor a positive thought till the time you give the power to it. So what power are you giving to your thought? Is it a negative power you're giving it or a positive one? So let's understand with a small example on a daily life. Thoughts of ours, too much of thinking of anything on a particular subject, if it is too much, goes beyond a limit, it becomes a diarrhea. What happens in diarrhea? We are all aware, when we get into a situation of diarrhea, we just release, no control of ours. And we are not able to take control of our own. And what exactly do you do when you have diarrhea, stomach diarrhea? In fact, you stop eating. So what will you do when there is a thoughts diarrhea happening? You need to be conscious of all the intakes. Are you getting impacted with the surroundings too much? Are you getting impacted with your own thought processes? Are people talking about something? Environment is there? Are you looking into too much of newses? This is all diarrhea. You like it or you don't like it. The only way to stop diarrhea, stop eating bad food. Stop consuming too much of inputs from your environment and define your thoughts, what you need in life, because thoughts is nothing but energy. What you keep giving in your thoughts will turn around for you. It is so well known nowadays, everyone is talking about it and we all know it. Universe gives you back what you sow. So try and see your seeds in plantations, what you're doing with your thoughts. One way to curb. So immediate ways there are possibility to curb your negative thoughts, not get into any diarrhea situation. Every moment of your life, you live in fear. At the moment, we all are living in COVID-19 fear. So most of your time is actually into that fear. So what is happening? There is a movie which goes into your mind. Since you're carrying a fear, that movie is a horror movie. And something if this goes wrong and then the next scene and the next scene and the next scene and you create a good movie in your mind. How do you change it? Let's try it. If that movie instead of horror movie, why don't you try it to be a comedy movie? Why don't you try it to be a thriller or produce something which is a love story? Because thoughts are yours, movie is yours, you are the one who are the director, you are the one who are the producer. If you know it, what to produce, how to produce, the whole problem solves. And then you don't need to get into the negative thought movies or the horror movie or getting into any kind of a fear. That is a one way of dealing with your issues. The thought process is coming up, just take it from the outside of you and just find out, get aware, Is that movie relevant to me? Am I a producer of this stupid movie? I think I need to change it and change it to a beautiful, amazing movie which you love to see, which you love to happen in your reality. Let's go ahead further. Now, you'll have to, the second thing which you can do with your mind is look at your stuff differently. What is happening in your mind is of no control. At the moment, you feel there is no control happening around me. But what you can do is, when you look at somebody talking of any wrong thing which you feel that it is not required to be taken in, start enjoying it as a gossip. Oh my God, that person loves talking too much which is not required. So take that discussions which are coming forward with you as a interesting, enjoyable stuff. Don't connect yourself to those discussions which are not healthy for you. Very important to distract and disconnect from those negative talks and discussions. So try to avoid getting into such kind of groups where such negative discussions keeps happening frequently, again and again and again. You only is your own owner of your thoughts. You need to see what you're doing. Let's take up a story. I heard Sadhguru, he narrates things in a beautiful manner. I am a fan of him. And he narrates one story once. There was a person he loves talking about, that name is Shankaran Pillai. So Shankaran Pillai was sitting with his wife, and the wife wanted to take some revenge from him, and there was a problem. There was too many negative thoughts running inside her that how do I take my revenge back from him? And she prepares a soup for him which was full of chilies because she wanted to see the face when he takes it and repents it or feel bad about it. So she serves the soup, and then Pillai was busy in reading a newspaper. He didn't take the soup at that very moment. She was waiting that he should take it. And while waiting, she lost the patience and started having a lot of other kind of thoughts. While having other thoughts, she thought, I hope that soup has chilies the way I want it. I hope that soup is actually that bad that I want it to be. Why shouldn't I try it? Because I am now getting doubtful. So she actually takes a sip, and obviously it was full of chili. She starts crying. So Shankaran Pillai looks at her and asks, what's wrong with you? She says, no, nothing. I just remembered my mom whom I lost last year. So Shankaran Pillai says, oh, I know it happens. I'm sorry to hear about it. Now Shankaran Pillai picks up his soup and goes off to the other room and starts reading newspaper. This time he takes up the sip and takes it into his mouth. And obvious reasons, the soup was so chilly that even he starts crying. The moment he starts crying, she came running to just see that what exactly has happened. And she asks, oh, what happened? Are you also remembering my mom because we lost her last year? He says, you know, what am I thinking? I am just thinking your mom has given your kind of person as a wife to me, which is making me cry. Oh my God. So unnecessarily, that negative thought process has created so much which could now land into a different thing. But if you convert these negative thoughts into a different format and put it across in a different format, you can actually curb those thought processes and take a control. You must have seen people around you, they kept getting everything in life and you don't get it. And that's where you wanted something and you never got it. You keep cribbing. It is quite difficult. Why it's me who doesn't get things and why the other person keeps getting it? Because they have the faith and the confidence that it is theirs and you have a doubt. Just because you doubt I may get or I may not get doesn't give you the results you are looking forward to. You want to buy a house of worth 50 lakh, but you have 50 rupees in your pocket. What would you usually talk? Being a negative thinker, you would say, I can't buy it. I can't buy it. I can't buy it because I don't have that much of money. Or else you would simply say, I don't want it. I cannot have it. as perceived by your own subconscious mind, you keep feeding the data to your mind that you don't want it because you can't have it, you have made it a fact. So the moment you change your thought that I can't have it to I am having it, it's only a matter of time. See the change and just wait and watch how faith works for those people who really believes in it. Having a faith is having a simple mind or a simple process. Why to make your mind so complex when things can be achieved through simple processes? So we'll continue talking about these topics, these subjects in our upcoming videos. As of now, right now, let's take up these inputs for ourselves. How do we go ahead and start curbing our negative thoughts? So a couple of tips were given. Let's revise and look through. The very first one, when you have a negative thought, please disconnect yourself, distract from that negative thought and analyze. So be aware what is happening. The second thing, please watch it like a movie and change the format of the movie because you are the producer of those thoughts. And the third thing what you can do is, while curbing it, disconnect yourself from the group or the environment where you mostly get the negative thoughts and negative discussions happening around. There were stories which were used to let you know how you respond to negative thought processes and negative discussions, and you can make a difference in your life. While you make difference in your life, you would automatically start working towards making a difference in your kids' life too. See you again. Please, if you loved it, liked it, kindly like, share and subscribe the video and let it reach to all the people who need such kind of help and guidance. I'll be back again next week with you. This is Devinder signing off. Thank you so much for watching.